Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Snehapurna and this is my YouTube channel Why So Random. Today we are going to talk about my weight loss journey. I weighed around 72 kilos when I started my weight loss journey back in 2020. I think it was in August when I started my weight loss journey. And before starting this video, I would like to tell all of you that weight loss is completely a personal choice and everybody is beautiful in their own ways. And yeah, that is it. So right now, currently my weight is around 53, 54. It varies sometimes, but yeah, it is around 53, 54, which is good because my height is around 5'1", 5'2". I'm not very thin, neither am I really heavy. I am just about moderate, I can say that. Yeah, I would like to divide this video into various parts. So the first part is going to be my journey, how I started my weight loss and why I did so. Second is what were the challenges that I faced in this journey. Third was how to keep yourself motivated. And and I will end this video here. I mean there. Yeah, okay. Let's get started. Okay, so first things first, why I started my weight loss. I started my weight loss because I had a lot of acne on my face. I will try to insert a picture somewhere here how my face was back then, and I had a lot of breakouts on my face. Like it was everywhere. It was here, there, everywhere. I was suggested to go to a dermatologist. I'm really sorry. I was suggested to go to a dermatologist, and so I went to this dermatologist So once I entered the room, before that, I would like to give a backstory. I have always been like till my class 12th, which was in 2016. I was always like around 50, 51. I never gained a lot of weight because I was into too much activities. So back to the story. When I visited the doctor, once I entered her chamber, the first question she said is, "Why are you so fat?" Which gave me a complete shock because nobody has ever called me fat. I was like shocked when she said, "Why are you so fat?" And trust me, it does sound bad, and it does sound very depressing. So she just told me to go and weigh myself, and when I weighed myself, I was 72, which I have never ever been in my entire life. That's the highest weight I have ever reached, I would say. And yeah, and then she told me to lose a lot of weight, and she gave me this number of this nutritionist who she told me to contact. And so that is it. So once my little dog is here. Yeah, so once I left that place, once I left the doctor, then I called the nutritionist and I told her everything, and then she gave me this a diet chart to follow. And trust me, that diet chart was like very normal. Like you had to eat lots of like you had to eat food, but in lots of intakes. Like you have to take 5 intakes a day, and then in the morning you have to have jeera water and all whatnot. So I'm not saying it doesn't work. If somebody has suggested you can try it out, but for me that didn't work. I mean, yeah, it did work. So next thing, I started with my weight loss journey. I started motivating myself by clicking my pictures, my videos, and trust me, the first thing I did was buy a weighing machine. And it is not necessary for you guys to buy a weighing machine. It is completely optional. If you want to know your progress, that is the only way you can, or you can do it by a measuring tape if you want to lose inches. But I want to lose weight, so I ordered a weighing machine. I can link put the description down below. And yeah, so after I was done buying the machine and everything, I started with my weight loss. So the first thing I did was reduce my calories like a lot. So I used to have a lot of rice. I love rice. I'm a Bengali, so we love rice. So I stopped taking rice at all. Like I never ever took rice in neither my lunch nor my dinner. I stopped rice for around 3 months actually, and yeah, that is how I. That was the first step I took, and to be very honest, it was tough. I won't say it wasn't tough because I used to see myself not losing weight very often. Like it was, it like for the first month, it was completely um, stagnant. My weight was completely stagnant. Maybe I lost like what 400 to 500 grams. I don't know why I was not losing weight, and I was completely shattered, to be very honest, because yeah, like if you don't see progress, you lose all your motivation, right? Like you completely lose motivation. So yeah, that was one of my challenges I faced, and another challenge I faced was exercising. So I don't like weight exercises, to be honest. I don't like going to the gym. I don't like lifting weights. I like to do cardio. I like to run. I like to walk. I like to swim. I like to dance. But I like to do yoga for that matter, but not weights. Weights is just not my thing. A lot of you will hate me for this, but yeah, that's just how I am. A lot of people don't like to use weights, and I don't. So yeah, I did not want to lift weights, and I didn't have that kind of money to go and enroll myself into the gym. I was not working by then. I was still in college, and then there was a pandemic. The biggest reason I couldn't join the gym was also pandemic. So what I did was I started walking, and trust me guys when I say this, you guys won't believe me, I know, but I couldn't walk a kilometer back then because I was so unhealthy. I was so out of fitness. I couldn't walk 1 kilometer. So what I did was but still I didn't give up. I started walking every day. I started increasing the distance. So the place I live is not a colony. It's like a locality, like a yeah, like a locality. So yeah, I used to start walking from one place to another, and then I used to increase the distance every 2 to 3 days. Not every week. A lot of people say you should increase it by week, but I used to do it every 2 to 3 days. You guys can do it weekly, whatever your choice. Yeah. So I started walking, and by the second month, I think I had lost 2 kilos. Yeah, so this was August, September, October. Till October, I can insert all the pictures here. I will tell you about all the months. So in October also I lost a little weight. Then there was Durga Puja here in Calcutta. And I could also see a lot of difference in my skin. I was seeing a lot of difference, like I was glowing. I had to drink a lot of water though. Like I drank a lot of water throughout this journey. And yeah, so this is what I started doing. And yeah, another thing I would like to tell you that I started a very likable exercise that I I love to do it, that is cycling. That was the major part of my weight loss. So I would like to tell you guys, whenever you're trying to lose weight, try out some activity that you love, that you would want to do. So for example, if you don't like going to the gym, don't go to the gym. Do something that you like. If you like swimming, go for swimming. If you like badminton, play badminton for an hour. If you like Zumba, go and do Zumba for an hour. But just keep on doing some or the other exercise. It is not necessary to go to a gym to lose weight. This is I cannot emphasize on this enough. It is not necessary to go to a gym to lose weight. And another thing, you guys have to cut down on calories, because the major part of weight loss is food. I don't know how many times I have said this to a lot of people, that you have to reduce the intake of your calories. You have to count your calories. That is the only way you can lose weight. So so this is the thing, okay? If you reduce weight, okay, if you stop eating food, like not stop eating food, if you start consuming less of food, your body weight will fall down. But with that, if you do not exercise, your body weight will decrease, but it will decrease in a very bad manner. Like your body shape will look very weird. So to maintain that, to maintain your toned body, to maintain a proper body with losing weight, you need to sculpt your body with the exercise, right? So these are the two things you have to do. So that's 80% of your food intake and 20% of the workout, okay? And trust me, the workout does not have to be it is not mandatory that you have to work out for an hour, okay? I'd be completely wrong to say that. You can just work out for 30 minutes, because a lot of people do not understand this, but the lesser calories you are intaking, okay? So your body needs calorie, your body burns calories in all the activities you do. Even when your heart is beating, you're burning calories, right? So it is not necessary that you have to burn like 1,000 calories or like a 500 calorie. You don't have to do that. You just have to exercise every day. If not every day, exercise 4 times a week. That is what I do. I do 4 times a week because I don't get time to work out that much. That is an excuse actually, but yeah, I do not, and which I am planning to start again. So yeah, that is what. And another thing I would like to mention here is you guys have to get yourself motivated every day, and you can only do that by clicking pictures. Like, keep clicking your pictures now and then and just see the weight loss, and just try weighing yourself. If you don't want to invest in a weighing machine, it's completely all right. What you can do is you can just go to a local doctor and get your weight checked like every third week of the month, so that you know what is your progress. Otherwise, the thing is, even if you don't, you can lose weight. I'm not saying you won't, but you won't be motivated, because when you know that you are, achieving something, you are progressing, you would want to push yourself to progress more, right? But if you don't know what your progress is, it will keep you demotivated, right? So that is the reason you have to always check your weight, or your inches for that matter. You can just buy an inch tape that's very cheap in cost. It's like minimal cost. You can just buy an inch tape and measure yourself. Another thing you have to always remember is the amount of work you do every day will help your body to increase your metabolism, and metabolism is one of the most important things in weight loss. So once you start exercising, your metabolism becomes really really good. Like, it becomes really fast, so you can always eat a lot, and you can exercise, and you can just you know drop a bomb. So that is what. But before that, if you want to lose weight, first cut down on your calories, work out a lot, and once you reach your ideal weight, you can again start eating as you were. Don't just keep on lessening your calories, because that is very bad for your health. Don't do that. Yeah. And another thing, guys, I would like to tell you that, trust me, when you lose weight, if somebody is wanting to, I am precising here, if somebody is wanting to lose weight and you do lose your weight, guys, take this from me, your confidence in yourself, your confidence in doing, you can do whatever you want, will increase to some other level. I am not even kidding, guys. Like, I was so demotivated. I was so underconfident, and I was never clicking pictures, to be very honest. I never clicked pictures because I was so ashamed to look at myself. I know that is very bad for your mental health, but that is true. It has always been true that I was always so shy to click pictures when I was a little healthier, and now I am the one who's always in front to click pictures. I'm really sorry. That's Angel, Angel, say hi. That's one of my dogs. I have another one who's sleeping. Yeah. So as I was saying, guys, please, okay, just for your motivation, for your confidence, just give it a try, and have patience in the process, guys. Just have patience. Have patience. I am just asking you to have patience for 6 months, and I promise you, if you count down your calories and if you work out for half an hour each day, I promise you, you will lose weight. There is nobody in the world who can stop you from doing that. And yeah, that is about it. So guys, that is it. And if you want to know what I did, what I ate, and everything, like, I can make an extended video which will be almost for 30 minutes. If you want to see that, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, please. Like, once I reach 1000k, I will definitely upload an extended video of what I have done. Till then, thank you so much, guys, for, if you're watching this. Like, I was so nervous to shoot my first video, and I know this is not like the greatest video. I'm sitting on my balcony and shooting this, if you can see. Like, there are some oil container and everything here, and I'm really sorry. But yeah, this is my first video, and I was really scared, so nobody knows in my house that I'm shooting a video. So yeah, thank you so much, and I hope I see you soon. I think the next video I'm going to shoot is a review. Let's see. So And if you guys have anything, if you want to ask me anything, you can ask in the comments down below, comment section down below. I will definitely reply to your comments. I promise you that. And yeah, take care. Bye bye.